Hello and welcome to this tutorial on lists in Python. In this video, we will go over all the list functions and their uses with examples. First, let's start with the list function. This function creates a list object, which is a collection that is ordered and changeable. For example, we can create a list of fruit names like this x equals list. Now let's go over some of the methods you can use with Python lists. The append method is used for appending and adding elements to the end of the list. For example, list equals list.append print will output. The insert method inserts a given element at a given index in a list. For example, list equals list.insert print will output. The extend method adds each element of an iterable to the end of the list. For example, list1 equals list2 equals list1.extend print will output. The copy method returns a shallow copy of a list. This means